Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury, Fairfield Power Sports. Fairfield Power Sports is our CFMoto website, www.fairfieldpowersports. You can find this bike today. I'm going to do a walk around and review on this 2026 CFMoto 675 SS. My name's Al Lucchino. Welcome to our virtual showroom. I'm welcoming you into our home here. Behind me is our DynoJet dynamometer. Our 250i is the model. Our phone number is 203-730-2453. Now, importantly, if you're watching this, you may see it on TikTok, Facebook. You may see the stills on Craigslist. You may see it on our YouTube channel. However, if you're watching the Facebook reel, which is only 60 seconds, please be aware that I'm going to post the link to the full video, walk around and review, in the comments section of the Facebook reel. Now, what we've got here is the 2026 675 SS. Sells for just under $8K, not including the factory freight and setup expenses. Now, we've got a 5-inch TFT screen. We've got a 3-cylinder engine, which blends and gives you the perfect bridge between the torque of a V-twin and the RPM of a 4-cylinder inline engine. This 3-cylinder makes 95 horsepower, over 51 foot-pounds of torque. Got a box section aluminum swing arm, race spec tires, J1 calipers, 300 millimeter front rotors, ABS, traction control. This is a very fast motorcycle. It's got Moto GP inspired features and styling. We've got a steering damper right up front, LED lighting, race spec tires, can carry a passenger pegs here, smaller rear rotor in the back because we do most of our braking with the front. We've got Kayaba suspension, inverted forks in the front, single shock in the back, adjustable damping and controls right here on the motorcycle. This is a very potent package. It's very affordable. We have financing available for all kinds of buyers. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury, also known as Fairfield Power Sports, and let's take this CFMoto 675 SS for a ride. It's one of our most popular models. The bike weighs only 429 pounds. It's got a seat height of just under 32 inches. It's light, it's fast, and if you want to ride a very potent street bike that can also do track day type work, this is the machine. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at the dealership. We are open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4.